Today, we're talking about how to increase the width of your timeline to make your editing workflow smoother and more efficient. Let's get started. First, ensure you're in the edit page where the timeline is visible at the bottom of the screen. If your timeline feels too cramped, you can adjust its width for a better view. If you look at the top left and top right corners of your interface, you'll see the shrink buttons. These buttons are designed to adjust the surrounding panels, giving you more space to work on your timeline. When you click on these shrink buttons, the panels on either side of your screen will adjust, effectively expanding the timeline from left to right. This is super helpful when you're working on detailed edits or just want a clearer view of your clips and transitions. If you want to go back to your default layout, no problem. Just click the buttons again and the panels will snap back into place. And that's it. With just a click, you can optimize your workspace and make editing in DaVinci Resolve even smoother. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick tips.